A great turnout for a swim on Friday the 20th of the 1st, 2024 at Cabbage Tree Bay, Manly, Sydney, Australia. The swimmers were greeted by clear, warm 23-degree water and a sunny, inspirational morning. Used for the videography is the DJI Mavic 3 Classic drone, employing the intelligent flight modes of Cine mode and WayPoints while also integrating in cruise control. As I start videoing, I focus the subject initially, then start the rotation and lock that in with cruise control by hitting the C2 button and simultaneously pushing the left stick to the side and forward, so the rotational motion is embellished with ascension while also zooming in and out through the video clip. To keep up with the main body of swimmers, the subject matter, I push to the right or left on the right stick, dependent on where the drone is in its orbit, to translate the drone along with the swimmers as the drone orbits them. With cruise control set by using the C2 button, for example, here I'm matching the speed of the swimmers while reverse flying. It is then possible to change speed with the right stick and set a new reverse speed and or flying transverse to a new location to where there are more swimmers. Nuancing these changes while tilting up or down, one has to also be mindful of exposure changes while videoing into the sun, as this can play out to make or break an otherwise good video clip. Zooming in to over 2 times produces a grainy image. As can be seen here, the closeness to the subject matter is achieved, but at the expense of a very grainy looking swimmers. Throw in motion blur and the image is further degraded.